So about a week ago, I came across an old article from Forbes.com. It was from 2023, and it was talking about the 12 kitchen designs that were on their way out. Now, how accurate were these predictions? I mean, really, did these kitchen trends actually start dying in 2023? And are they completely dead by 2024 or 25? You're going to find out in this video. So in today's video, we're going to look at the 10 kitchen designs, whether these designs were truly outdated, or do new home buyers still prefer some of these designs? Now, some of these going out of style trends are really fueled by designers who are looking to sell us on the latest ideas. And do people actually want things, and what don't they want? So that's why I'm doing this video, so give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Hey guys, I'm Jerry Pincus, your real estate expert, and I'm here to help you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. So what do they say on this list? What's going out of style? White kitchens. Now this interior design, it's been there for many years, and a lot of people actually think that it's overused now, right? But white kitchens are still a classic choice and will still be popular through 2025, especially when you talk about coastal regions of the United States. White kitchens can actually make a kitchen look more open and more spacious because of their bright appearance. While there are some people who find white kitchens too simple, white kitchens are still a solid choice that easily fits into many interior designs. And this color may not be considered to be trendy, but the kitchen design is not likely to die anytime either. You can easily customize it with different hardware according to your style. If you're renovating a house before selling it and you can't really decide on which design will sell the best, this might be the ideal choice. Number 2, open concept kitchens. Well, they're not dead yet either, because if you're removing a wall, then that kitchen is open to the living room or the dining room, and this can make homes look more connected. Plus, for houses that are smaller size kitchens, this design can actually make your kitchen look a lot bigger. But because there's no walls to separate the rooms, the noise from the kitchen can spread to other parts of the house. And some people actually prefer having a separate kitchen that totally keeps things clean and quiet. Even with all these problems, most people still like the open concept kitchen. Why? Because it benefits a more open and connected space. You can be entertaining, cooking, and still talking to your guests. And that connected space usually outweighs the drawbacks to them. Now, depending upon your interior design, you can either opt for a partially open kitchen or a fully open kitchen. Now, this means that the open part to the living room or the dining room, but there's also a wall in between them. And this can be a good compromise for people who want an open concept kitchen, but also want a little bit of privacy. Number 3, farmhouse kitchens. Now, farmhouse kitchens are a popular choice among homeowners who want a warm and cozy feeling, but they're becoming more modern and less traditional like this one. The more modern versions really can get fancy. Neutral color palettes for such designs are becoming more common nowadays. But sometimes farmhouse kitchens can become too trendy, and if you use too many rustic elements, your kitchen might look dated. So it is important to strike that right balance between rustic and modern elements. Number 4 is upper cabinetry. Now this is the 4th type of kitchen from this list where kitchens have upper cabinetry. Now this may sound weird because upper cabinets are one of the key selling points in a kitchen for many buyers. And they're nowhere close to being dead. Why? Because it's all about storage. They're practical and essential feature in most kitchens. And this is essential a few years back, but it's equally preferable right now. You can never have enough storage. And they provide valuable extra storage space, especially if you have a small kitchen where every square foot counts. Plus, upper cabinets, they can actually frame out that kitchen and create a balanced design. Now, some people may like to use the upper shelves of upper cabinets instead. The open shelf design, if you had a shelf up here, open shelves make it feel more open, and they can also get messy. So that's why cabinets tend to be a better choice, because you can keep your stuff organized and out of view. But if you're about to renovate your kitchen, whether you're selling your house or not, I would highly recommend that you do a mix of both types of storage. Because upper cabinets are for things that you still need to hide away, and open shelves may want to show those types of things off. In this way, you appeal to a broader type of potential buyer if you're selling that house. Some buyers, they prefer cabinets, while others prefer the minimalism and prefer open shelves. So the best thing to do is go for a little bit of both. This is also a good way to make your kitchen look nice and practical at the same time. Number 5, Carrera Marble. Now, Carrera Marble is a classic choice for kitchen countertops and for bathrooms, but it really is expensive. In many areas, this design has indeed started to fade away, yet in many areas of the United States, it is still considered to be a luxury symbol in a kitchen. Many people are choosing alternative options like quartz because it's cheaper and easier to maintain, and it also looks somewhat similar to marble. Number 6, over-the-range microwaves. Now look, over-the-range microwaves have been used and they've been a popular choice for many kitchens. They save space and they combine a microwave with a vent. But now people are choosing different options, and the demand for such designs is slowly shifting and fading away. Now many people are moving their microwaves to under-counter drawers, which are much easier to use, and they actually allow for better ventilation. So if you're planning a kitchen renovation, you may want to consider these factors before deciding on an over-the-range microwave. Now, over-the-range microwaves, they can be hard to reach, especially for shorter people or for children, and they're not usually as effective for removing smoke and odors as a separate vent would be if it vents outside. Number 7, contemporary aesthetics. Now, contemporary kitchens are still a popular choice for many people in 2024. They're clean, they're simple, and they're functional. But there are people who don't like contemporary kitchens because they can feel cold or impersonal. Contemporary design trends, they appeal to a broad range of buyers, but you also need to consider your local market and your target audience. So if your area is more traditional, a contemporary renovation may not be your best choice. Number 8, kitchen with a matte black hardware. Now for a few years now, matte black hardware has been really a popular choice for kitchens, but it slowly seems to fade away. Matte black is good if you combine it with lighter countertops or cabinets, but it doesn't match with every single kind of interior. Matte black hardware can sometimes feel too trendy or too aggressive depending on where it's used. So it's not always the best choice for kitchen styles, especially those who prefer classic designs. Also, because the hardware is relatively easier to change, it's often the first thing that homeowners switch out when they're looking for a quick update or when a buyer buys that house and they first move into the home. So what this really means is that matte black hardware may not have as long a lifespan as other kitchen designs or design elements in a kitchen. A really good alternative is using a different metal hardware altogether, such as brass or black combined. And this can give you the freedom of more customization and can be used for an add-on personality to a kitchen. Number 9, tile backsplashes. The next kitchen design element is tile backsplashes. Because they're durable, they can withstand wear and tear of everyday cooking. Plus, they're much more affordable. And that's why it's a popular choice among kitchens till this date. They aren't dead, but the trend is evolving to a more seamless design. Don't get me wrong, tile backsplashes are still in very much demand, but there's a shift towards larger tiles or seamless backsplashes made from materials like quartz or glass, which is super easy to maintain. You don't have to contend with grout. Because these options are easier to maintain and clean, they can create a more modern and better look. Number 10, ultra-modern kitchen designs. Now, this includes anything that's too modern or too high-tech and focuses on the tech itself rather than actual functionality. Now, this is the reason why this trend is losing popularity. Looks cool, but you can't really use it on a day-to-day application. What's cutting edge today may get a little old in a few years because what's cutting edge often becomes a higher price tag because homeowners are now seeking timeless functional designs that they can actually use on a daily basis. So to sum up this video, most kitchen designs that we've discussed really haven't died off. Instead, it's more about chasing trends. It's more important to focus on the functionality of the items in your kitchen. So remember, the market isn't the same everywhere. What's popular in one area may not be the best choice in another. It really all comes down to your personal home's design, how it was built, and the specific market conditions for your area. And this is really the reason why you need an experienced real estate agent in your local area who knows your local market and knows the trends, and then they can guide you on what will appeal to buyers in your region. And look, maybe you're not selling. So if selling's not your goal in the next 5 years, then following trends really doesn't matter that much. At the end of the day, it's really about what you love and what's best for you. Was any of this helpful to you? Let me know. Put it in the comments below and make sure that you share this with somebody that you know who could use this super helpful information. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. My real estate team is here to help you find your hidden gem and to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a house here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area, or anywhere in the United States, I can hook you up with your expert. Just give us a call at 843-839-9870. My team's helped thousands and thousands of people successfully move in the last 20 years, and we have seen just about everything when it comes to real estate. I want you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So until next time, stay happy, stay educated, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.